Hello artists, Mrs. Castle here, and we are going to talk about 2-point perspective. And the first thing that we need is a horizon line, and I am drawing with a pen because pencil doesn't show up very well on this piece of paper and in this light. So horizon line, then we need 2 vanishing points. This 2-point perspective is 2 vanishing points. So, okay. All right. We're going to start with, in just like 1-point perspective, if you did that video, this works best on squares, rectangles, things that can be easily turned into buildings. It doesn't work on cylinders, really, or pyramids so much. So, yeah. So I can't, anyway, back to the pen. I can't erase anything very well because I'm using a ballpoint pen for the sake of you seeing what's going on. So I'm going to start with, all right, I'm starting with a line like we did, like in one of the other videos. And, maybe let's try this, see if the pencil will work better. I really, really, really want to be able to erase. So, okay. See that? Yeah, it's light, but you can see it. All right. I'm going to connect the top of the line to my vanishing point. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing. I can connect the top and the bottom of our line. Oops, it's not very dark. Top and the bottom of the line to our vanishing point. Okay. Then the next part is we're going to do this, the other corners. Like we have one corner of the box here, and we'll put a corner of the box here and a corner of the box here, somewhere along there. I don't want to make it really big, so I'm going to slide evenly and draw my corner. And I'm going to slide evenly and draw my corner. Now, we'll be able to see some of the top of the box because, this angle will let us. So back to the pencil. I'm going to connect this corner to this vanishing point and this corner to this vanishing point. It's kind of a crisscross, and I'm going to go this way so I can see what I'm doing. I'm not going to connect it all the way because I'm not going to need that whole line, just like I don't really need all of that, but I wanted you to see it. So I'm going to connect this side to this vanishing point. And this will make the top of our box. And I'm going to stop this time when I get to where those 2 lines intersect. So, and then I can make my lines, brighter, darker in the pen. And I can do this with the ruler, but I'm not going to grade you on how straight your lines are unless they're really off. But in general, effort is what I'm going to be looking for. So, I can add more lines or more boxes at different points and make them different heights. And There's another one. It's good to erase in between so you don't get confused by all the different lines. So each line that you start with, you are going to connect the top and the bottom. Oops, it's almost too far. The top and the bottom to the vanishing point. I'm going to stop when I hit that box, just so I don't have to erase. I'm going to go all the way to that one, and I'm going to stop when I get to this box here, because I'm not going to go behind that box, or I'm not going to make this side go that far. Okay, I'm going to switch back to my pen, and I'm going to line my ruler up with that line. I'm going to slide over. Oops, it was uneven. If you slide over a little bit more than your ruler, you can still see if they're parallel to each other. That's a little trick that you can use. I'm going to slide over. I'm going to not go as that far this time on this side. Okay. Then switch back to my pencil. Oops. And I'm going to draw a little bit of a line. I'm going to switch. And a little bit of a line. Okay, then I'm going to trace over my pencil lines with my pen so you can see it really well. Two-point perspective is very useful if you're drawing buildings on a street. And anything that you want to really truly be in perspective and accurate that way. The assignment that I'm making this video for, a landscape will be one of your choices. So you can do like a street with a cityscape if you would like to. That counts as landscape. But you don't have to, but you can. So I'm going to show you one more time. And you can also do this above the horizon line. I'm doing one over here. So I'm gonna, but this time we're gonna see a little bit of the bottom of the box instead of the top of the box. Okay. Connect both sides of the line to the vanishing point. We're kind of tying it down. Like ropes. Okay, this part is gonna get, oh, I forgot to do my sides. I'm gonna slide over a little bit farther this time. Slide over a little bit further on this side too. It's going to make it a little bit easier to show a little bit of the bottom. This is very close to the horizon line where my vanishing points are, so it's going to be the top, the bottom is going to be a little bit smaller than that area. So, and ooh, I went too far. So my ruler doesn't even reach to the vanishing point. So I'm going to draw a new one. Forget that one. Okay. Better. Okay, so I'm gonna. And then over here. Okay. So let's go over pencil lines so we can see. Okay. You don't have to use this, but we had a request for drawing things 3-dimensionally, and this is the a little bit of perspective. Try this, but you don't have to use it in your final drawing, but I want you to try it. Okay, so for your assignment here, I want you to draw 4 boxes. Okay, try it out with 4 boxes. 2 below the horizon line, 2 above the horizon line. Take your photo and upload it to the assignment. Try this once. You never ever have to do it again if you really don't like it, but I want you to try. All right. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.